value of work in place, has grown by 10.5%. Domestic cement sales, all growth is driven by investment and consumption. So for consumption, the partial indicators are the other. So we see a decline in the second-hand vehicle registration, but for hybrid vehicles, so now we see an increase.
The idea is also not just to for us to come here and explain things to you, but for you to also learn how the government processes work. What do we have to do? How is the money spent? What percentage of money goes where? If I can just go back to the slide where you showed the expenditure spend. For example, in this one here, you can see in the areas of infrastructure development, health, education, access to justice, social protection, which is things like welfare, payments to disabled persons, etc. The total spend in 2004 was $1.3 billion. $1.3 billion. Today the spend is $3.6 billion. So you can see how it's increased over the years, because we are giving priority to these key areas in respect of our community, in respect of our society. So there's a number of things that we're doing, trying to ensure that we are able to capitalize on different aspects of different communities in our country. So as you know, after the consultations last year, which we had with you in the same room here, last year we also made an announcement that if any employer employs a disabled person, they get a 300% tax rebate. So essentially we're trying to encourage employers to employ people with disabilities. I mean, you have obviously a lot of skill sets, a lot of knowledge, a lot of intellect. There are a lot of people sometimes generally shy. They say, oh, because the person is in a wheelchair or is in crutches, they cannot contribute to our company. In the same way, in the same way, we were told last year in some of the consultations we had, where there was one particular gentleman, he was actually, he could not speak. And he spoke actually with sign language. He speak, and he also, I think, could not hear from memory. And he said that he was actually working in a printing press. So, but he was doing the job like anybody other able person or person without disabilities. But they weren't paying him the same salary. And in fact, when he got sick, they did not pay him sick leave. When he wanted annual leave, they did not give him annual leave. They said, oh, take it or leave it. So, what we said through the law that we put in place about the non-discrimination, as you know, the Human Rights and Anti-Discrimination Commission is very active in this matter. But we also said to employers, if you employ somebody with any level of disability, you can claim back from government 300% of whatever you pay them. So if they, to put it simply, if they pay you, say, $1,000 a month, they can claim back from the government $3,000 and offset it against the tax that will be imposed on them. So that's one way of incentivizing. And why did we do that? Because obviously you want to be gainfully employed too. If you are employed, you have money in your pocket, it also reduces the opportunity for people to be poor. Poverty levels are reduced. And also we want to be able to use everybody's input into our country. Nobody has nothing to contribute. Everybody has something to contribute. So is that sort of approach that we have taken. So what we would like to hear from you, we've had, as you've seen from the slide, the monies that the additional funds that we had allocated. Just to let you know, on Wednesday we had somebody that raised questions about accountability issues of the National the Council for Disabled Association. Some people in the Western Division, they said that they weren't happy with the accounts, etc. And we told them that we don't have the authority to do that. If they have a problem with the council, the National Disabled Association Council, that they need to go and talk to the officers, that you need to question them in the meetings, and they should make available to you their accounts. So I just want to highlight to you some of the things that are raised with us. But one other gentleman also raised the issue regarding water authority rates. He talked about that, as you know, government has said that any household that earns less than $30,000 a year, we subsidize the water up to 90,250 liters of water, we essentially give for free. Above that you have to pay, So he was questioning the rates, so we've taken on that issue and we're addressing that with Water Authority Fiji. So please, let's keep it as informal as possible. If you have any questions, you want to raise any issues, please do so. The whole purpose of this is for us to have a free interaction and for us to be able to also hear from you some of the issues, to be able to learn from you perhaps things that we have not taken account of. So with those few words, I open up the floor. Naka, thank you.
It's difficult when calling out our number, we just remain seated. So maybe if they could use technology that's available today, you know how they have it in the banks, the light will come up for a certain number.
They had training for people who sign language last year. And they did quite a few people who were family members, etc., who were actually trained.
So today, while Fiji was extremely proactive and almost on par with nations like America in progressing special education back in the 1960s.
It will be very important, and I completely concur with what you're saying. In fact, again, when we were in India recently, we met up with some people to look at getting specialists in Fiji. One of the things that I do keep on mentioning is that we don't have a speech therapist in Fiji.
To these potential employers, and coming in bigger facilitation, like what is happening here with interpreters. If there's any communication in heavy industries, whereby there's production, there need not be communication. Person come in, they know their job, they'll do it. If there's any grievances, when we, the
areas we pay for carriers. In some areas we actually pay for the, some schools, they go to school on, some students, on the outboard motor engines. So we actually pay for that too, in some of the outer island areas.
Project that they were also facing was vocational school. By then, the interpreters were supposed to come from the Ministry of Education.
Next month.